Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this meeting we will talk about chapter 4. Okay, last meeting we talked about chapter 3 and this is chapter 4. What happened in chapter 4? Okay, let's see. And however, in here I use the language style in Jakarta Post research, descriptive research conducted by Octaviana Arinihako. And thanks to Octaviana Arinihako, that your research is very useful here, and I use it as a sample to my students. So, Octaviana Arinihako writes chapter 4 in some subchapter here. Findings, okay, hard sell style. This is the finding. Okay, we will make a draft about it. Okay, first about chapter 4 entitled Finding and Discussion. Okay, in here, chapter 4, finding S, yeah, and discussion S. There are more than one. In here, 4.1, finding with S. Then, in this finding, researcher presented data taken from Jakarta Post advertisement. Okay, general statement about finding. And then, the researcher find 50 data finding. Okay, this is the last paragraph and 50 data. In here we have 50 data described finding, and then it present the finding in this form for 1.1 hard sell style. Okay, describe the finding first. In here, hard style is Jakarta Post can be found in Jakarta Post, yeah. Finding in detail. Okay, Tantum. This is the example. The example of the finding. And then, Jakarta Learning Center is classified into hard sell style. It narrates the service with rational information. Moreover, it does not exaggerate. Blah, blah, blah. There is a theory here to support. Yeah, to support the argument. And hard sell style here is. Yeah, advertisement can be found in Jakarta Post English Writing Workshop Advertisement School of Language Advertisement. Then this is the example. It is the opinion, yeah, the idea, and supported by theory. And this is the detail of the findings, where the data come from. And in here is the example of the sample of the data, the finding itself. And then this is the analysis. The analysis. Datum 2. Okay, this is the finding. So, however, detailed finding in 5 data, it suggests this one. It provides this one. Yeah, hard sell style. So, 4.1 hard sell style, and paragraph 1 theory and argument, and then paragraph 2 hard sell style. Just more detail information about the data finding. But the data findings, where it came from. Why I use past tense here? Because it has been done. And then this is the finding, the data. Paragraph 3, the data And then paragraph 4, analyzing the data. Analyzing the data. Okay, and this is data 2. Okay, paragraph 5. Paragraph 5, the second data. And then paragraph 6, of course, welcome to analyzing the second data. Data 3, analyzing data 3. Data 4, many data find here. Okay, data 5, data 6, yeah, data 7, analyzing. And then soft cell style. Okay, other finding is soft style. We have a theory here, soft style, the theory, and then more detail where the data come from, and then we come. Okay, we have the same like this. Okay, so it is very systematic, right? And 4.1.2 here, what is it? Soft cell style. Yeah, soft cell style, for example here, and we have the same. Yeah, we have the same. What is it? We have the same narrative. We have the same chronological order in paragraph until the next data. Yeah, datum 9 here, datum 10, datum 11, etc. Straightforward style, and we have the same in here. 4.1.3, straightforward style. Okay, we have the same lines, we have the same format, we have the same systematical. Okay, chronological, systematic. This is the data analysis here. And all of these have been explained in chapter 3, data analysis technique, in the test part. We have the same, okay. Control C and Control V. It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. And then we come into a discussion. We come into 4.2. It is discussion task. Based on hardstyle style, data above hardstyle conveys the message with rational information. Okay, deeper analysis and discussion about hardstyle. Okay, and they are providing a data in here, soft style. So every finding is discussed here in a 2 paragraph. Okay, commenting on the data, for example here, and explain the example, commenting the data sample or data sample, and explaining the sample or data. This is the second. 4.2. This is for paragraph 1, paragraph 2, or paragraph 3. And then the next is, oh, I'm sorry, I will write it here, hardstyle style. Yeah. Okay. So here the subchapter is like the one, and hard shell style. Yeah, this is how it works, the systematic. And then soft style, we have the same systematics here. Soft style, oh, where is it? Yeah, this one, soft style. And this is 4.2.2. okay, and in here we have the same systematic. Commenting data sample, yeah, we have the same. And then straightforward style, 4.3 straightforward style. Control C, Control V, and this is straightforward style. And how do we discuss it? We have the same systematic. Control C and then Control V. Yeah. Okay, this is the end. And we come to chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. And then we come to chapter 5. Chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. Oh, yeah. 5.1 conclusion. In this study is conducted finding, okay, conclusion. It is free. It is based on the writer perspective, how to conclude it. It can be one paragraph or two paragraph, but here is presented in one paragraph. And then suggestion. The result of the research does not cover all of the kind of language style. Okay. However, this is still far from the complete one. Okay. But this research at last, it can be known as the language style used in Jakarta Post at first and hopefully criticism and suggestion will rise from. Okay. Here, the researcher would like to suggest some point related with the subject of the research to readers, to students, yeah, to teachers, and then to other researchers, yeah. Okay. Furthermore, the next researchers are suggested to use different data sources, and the other theory of language type suggested to use different data sources and the other theory. If you use the same theory, it's okay, but you use your own words to present it, I think. Then comes to bibliography or references. So this is all the research from chapter 1 until chapter 5. And I think after this video, you can make the draft of chapter 5 based on your title. Chapter 4, and chapter 5. Especially chapter 4. And I conclude, I remind you that this is in data analysis technique in chapter 3. How to analyze the data. It's described firstly in data analysis technique, how you will analyze the data. Okay. This is also. Okay. Make the draft of chapter 4 and happy to make the draft. And I think this is all my video. If you have question, you can say it in the comment in this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.